this video, we're going to talk about arc length. First, the vocabulary. The arc length is the distance between 2 points along a section of curve. The formulas. When we know the radians, we just multiply the radians by the radius. When we just know the degrees, we have to do the degrees divided by 360 times 2 pi r, which is r is your radius. 1. Find the arc length of a 50-degree central angle and a circle of radius 6 feet. So recall, if we don't know the radians, we use the formula S equals theta over 360 times 2 pi r. So our theta is 50, our r equals 6 feet. Plug everything into the formula, so it's going to be 50 over 360 times 2 pi times 6. And we're going to get a decimal approximation. 50 divided by 360 times 2 pi times 6. And our decimal approximation is 5.235 feet. We get this by using the calculator. Example 2. A swing hangs from chains that are 8 feet long. How far does the seat of the swing travel if it moves through an angle of 1.25 radians? So this time we have our radians, so we're going to use the formula S equals theta r. Our theta equals 1.25. Our r equals 8 feet. So we just have to multiply 1.25 times 8. And 1.25 times 8 is 10 feet. So our arc length is 10 feet. And we're done. Example 3. Many large cities are building or have built mega Ferris wheels. The High Roller in Las Vegas has 520 feet, a 520-foot diameter, and has 28 cars, each seating up to 40 people. Each time the Ferris wheel turns theta degrees, a car is in position to load. How far does a car move with each rotation of theta degrees? Round to the nearest whole numbers. So first, our R is going to be 520 divided 2. So 520 divided by 2 should be 260. And we don't have to worry about converting this to degree because we know there's 202 pi radians in a circle. So our theta is just going to be 2 pi, and we know there's 28 cars. So it's going to be just 2 pi over 28. Now we just plug in our formula. 2 pi over 28 times 260 feet in diameter, or radius. So we're going to do 2 pi times 260 divide 28, and we go approximately 58 feet every time the cars rotate. So 58.34 feet. What is the value of theta in degrees? So that's just conversion between degrees and radians. So that'd be 2 pi over 28 times 180 degrees over pi. My pi is canceled. 2 times 180 would be 360 divided by 28. And 360 divided by 28 is approximately 12.86 degrees. And we're done the high roller question.